Hey, hey. So, um, we have one more week. One more week. We can push, push, push. How have you been doing? How do you feel? Do you feel like I have done something? I'm making progress? Do you feel like I'm trying to change things around? Maybe I haven't been perfect, but things are happening. Things are changing. Do you realize that with one step you push forward, you break through a barrier and it makes it easier for you? I just want to encourage you just to push. Push. One more week. I know it's 21 days, but I told you we're going to push to 28 days. Push. Push. 7 more days. Just see how it makes you feel. You are worth it. You are worth it. If you don't sacrifice for yourself, who could you sacrifice for if you won't even sacrifice for yourself? I just want to encourage you to push through. You have made great progress. You are really doing it. I'm telling you, it's day by day, increment by increment. Like the Bible says, line by line and precept by precept. Nothing happens overnight, but you're making progress. Keep making progress little by little. We're going to keep having different challenges and different focal points of our wellness. Some people are iron deficient, some people having kidney issues, whatever, and we're going to do things and we're going to focus on those particular areas. I just want to encourage you though this week to just keep pushing. Push for you. For you, not for me. For you. I love you so much. I encourage you today. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Next week we're gonna meet. We're gonna have like just a little ending session or like a closeout, a little briefing, and we're gonna stay connected. We're gonna stay connected. We're gonna keep this thing going. I love you. I appreciate you, and just remember, push, push. You can do this. Mwah.